Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make a hairspray that will help to exfoliate, remove dead skin cell, grease buildup, and strengthen the hair follicles. So stay tuned. To make this hairspray, I'll be making use of beetroot leaves. So I'm going to cut it out, wash to remove any dirty or sand. So I'm going to wash the beetroot leaves properly. So I'm going to add water. Then I'm going to wash properly to remove any dirty or sand. Beetroot leaves are loaded with vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, which are important to stop hair fall, hair loss, and promote hair growth. So when I'm done washing, I will set aside. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. I'm making use of 1 tablespoon of chamomile. Chamomile flowers are loaded with vitamin C and E. It will help to exfoliate the scalp, remove dead skin cell. It will help to remove oil buildup on the scalp and also help to strengthen the hair follicles. Then 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in vitamin B, E, omega-3 fatty acid, and protein. Promote healthy scalp and slow down hair breakage. I'll be adding the beetroot leaves. Then I'll be adding like 2 cups of water. Then I'll allow to boil. For about 7 minutes, I will remove from the heat and allow to cool. As cooled down, I'm going to strain to get the liquid. So I'm going to use chiffon cloth to sieve to remove the small particles. When I'm done sieving, I'll add the liquid in a spray bottle for easy application. For future use, you can decide to freeze this liquid in a freezer. You can defrost whenever you want to use. It's a wonderful hairspray that will help to keep the scalp clean and also help to boost blood circulation. Apply by spraying to your hair roots. Rub and massage properly. You can decide to leave it overnight, or better still, leave it for about 30 minutes or more. Cover your hair with shower cap to generate heat. Then you can rinse after. This hairspray will help to exfoliate, remove dead skin cell and build up on the scalp, strengthen the hair follicles, and slow down hair breakage. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.